Ah! Ah! Ilan lang yan?
6 na? Ano pinapagawa niya?
2 points! Paano mo nakilala yun? Tapos sabi nag-ahanap ko yung opa niya. Ah! Ano ba yan, Kuya Carl? 2 points! Nakailan ka?
Bahay nila?
Hindi, may apat na palabag yung ano nila, yung design ano naman. Ano rin, design din. Deep. Ah! Last 1 minute! Bam!
Bam! Bam! Here, good ball. 2 points is good. 2 points. Two points. There to shoot. 2 points. Kaliwa. All 29. 2 points is good. The number.
Ay, galing ka atang jogging lang eh.
Nice drop. 2 points. Easy basket. All crickets. 5-0. Foul down, foul. 40. 2 points. Lamang na sila. 5. Lucas. Back to Grencher. 2 points is good by Grencher. Blanca. Nice game.
Laro ah.
10. Patay ka, Isa.
Matuhod ah.
Carl. Easy basket by Carl. By Elian. Layup is no good. 2 points by Ambolisius. Easy basket by Ivan. Easy basket by White. Steal by Ambo. Pass to Elian. Elian! Inabahan sa ere. So good. 2 points. Easy basket.
Ayoko doon. Yung ginius yung kanina. Wala gago. Na-chirp.
2 points by Serrano.
Gago. Cute daw. Cute kinigili.
Ellen for 2 bang. 2 points. 25 seconds remaining. 2 points. Alvin. Nice pass. No good. Buti na lang. Pass to Ambo. Reverse layup. Easy basket. Hey, Pinato. Rebound by Ambo. Pull up. 2 points is good. Lance Aaron power move. Easy to heaven. Easy basket by Serrano.
Mga nakaibay.
2 points. 50 seconds. Beautiful rebound, nothing but net. Stop!
Tayo, mali din naman!
2 minutes! Grabe naman yun! 2 points. 3 points. 3 points. 2 points by Ambo. 2 points. 10 to shoot. 27. Inantay pa. Easy basket by Brian. 10. Foul. Foul.
Wakanda lang.
Foul. 2 points. Justin. Buwan at papa. Foul. 2 points.
Sabdo.
2 points.
Run training sila. Ano? Sila just run training.
Minasahe ni Felipe.
Para kay Pia. For starter down.
2 points is good by 3 points. 3 points. 3 points. Sian. 2 points by Sian. 2 points by Darrell. 3 points. Pinabayaan. Lista mo na. Two points.
Sa harapan. Meron dyan.
2 points. 20-23. 2 points by Carl. 2 points. To steal. Grabe, nilalapag na lang yung ball. Nice pass. Easy basket. Nothing but net. Ang ganda question.
Clutch.
All 33. 5 seconds remaining.
Patay.
Huwag ka na makinyan. Sana di ka muna.